Hi folks, welcome to Raakesh's iWave Lab, a Techno Hub channel for placement training. In this training, we're going to discuss about Salesforce Administrator and App Builder training. It's free of cost, right? So in this training, we're going to continue with Salesforce edition, and we're going to discuss about what are the cloud services that is available, and we're going to discuss how to create a login, how to register yourself in Salesforce. All the stuff we're going to discuss in today's session. So when it comes to edition specifies set of services offered by the Salesforce on your environment. So let me see what are the editions available here. Like we have something called Lightening Essential, Lightening Enterprise Edition, Lightening Professional, Lightening Unlimited Edition, and Developer Edition. Let me see one by one. When it comes to Lightening Essential, this edition is mainly designed for those organizations who need access basic CRM for maximum 5 users. In this, when you use Lightening Essential, you can use only 5 users can be able to use this. Whereas when it comes to Lightening Enterprise Edition, it is popular edition in the market, mainly designed for those organizations who need access to the complete CRM application, along with the declarative and the programming access. Using this Lightening Enterprise Edition, you can go with declarative method or point and click method, or that is without writing any code, you can able to develop your application, or with writing a code, you can develop your application. So any number of users can work on this edition. So whereas coming to Lightening Essential, only 5 users are allowed to work. It is very limited. Whereas here, any number of users can able to work on this edition. When it comes to Lightening Professional, this edition is designed for those organizations who need access to the complete CRM application. But in this edition, so we get complete declarative development and Visual Force page. But we cannot write Apex programming. Whereas coming to Lightening Enterprise Edition, we can do everything. Whereas coming to Lightening Professional, yes, we can develop CRM application provided can go with the declarative method, and we can use Visual Force pages. But we cannot able to go with Apex programming. But any number of users can able to work on this edition. Coming to Lightening Unlimited Edition, right? In this Lightening Unlimited Edition, so both declarative and programming, it is used for programmatic access also. So we get 100 plus admin options here, 24/7 support we can get it, and developer training we are getting, online training we are getting, developer assistant we are getting it. So everything is possible with Lightening Unlimited Edition because it's unlimited. Any number of users can able to work on this, right? So like 100 plus admin can able to work on this edition, right? 24/7 support is being given. So the developer assistant is there, online training you would get it. So when you take up your Lightening Unlimited Edition. Whereas coming to developer edition, the developer can develop only their application. That's it, right? So you are going to make use of this API. Salesforce have provided a lot of API which is called Application Programming Interface. So we can make use of it, and then you can able to develop new tools and applications. Developer edition also provides access to many of the features available in the Enterprise Edition. Whatever which is there in Enterprise Edition can be done with Developer Edition also, right? So these are the edition that we have it. Like when we come to pricing, right? For Essential, see here it is going to take $25. If at all you want to, if you are going to take Essential Edition, you have to pay $25 and you have to take it. Whereas coming to Professional, it's going to be $75. Whereas coming to Enterprise Edition, it's going to be $115. Unlimited Edition is going to be $300. Right? That is $300. Right? When it comes to Salesforce Edition, who all can able to access the services offered by the Salesforce. Now, from this diagram, you can see like Sam is a user, and then we have one more person called Ram, and then we have other community license and charter license. So what are the services offered by the Salesforce like CRM, Force.com, Community Cloud, or Charter? Right now, when it comes to Sam is taking what kind of license? He is taking Salesforce license here. So when he takes Salesforce license, he'll be able to work on all these options, like all these services, like CRM. He can able to work on declarative. He can able to write coding, and he can work on Force.com. Anyway, all this declarative and everything program comes in a force.com only. He can able to work on community cloud. He can able to work on chatter. Whereas coming to Ram, he's taking Salesforce platform license. So we are discussing about license here, right? So there is nothing but Salesforce platform license he is taking. But he will not be able to work on CRM application. He can able to work on force.com. He'll be able to work on cloud community. He can able to work on chatter. Whereas coming to community license, those who are taking community license, they can able to work only on community cloud. When it comes to chatter license, those who are taking only chatter license, they'll be able to work only on chatter license, right? So what do we understand from this slide? Actually, we are able to, based on the license, we are able to we have an access on the different services offered by the Salesforce, right? Sam is taking a Salesforce license. He is able to access all the options, all the services, all the services provided by Salesforce. Whereas coming to Ram, he is limited. He is able to access only force.com, community cloud, or chatter, right? Whereas those who get chatter license, so he can able to work only on chatter. Those who are taking community license, he'll be able to access only community cloud, only this much, right? He'll be restricted. So like we have come across a lot of license here, but now still we come to elaborately we'll discuss about the Salesforce license here. Salesforce specifies what feature are offered by the Salesforce to the user. So the Salesforce specifies what kind of features we are offering. Every user need one Salesforce license to log in. In case you want to log into the production environment or org, you require a login. You should be an authenticated user. For which what we require? We require a license. So now coming to Salesforce license, as I told you, that is Sam has taken Salesforce license. So what are the applications he can, what are the services he can use it, what are the applications he can use it, like he can able to create, he can access CRM application, can able to develop CRM application, can use force.com, he can access chatter, he can able to access community cloud, everything, right? So when you use this license, it's designed for those users who need access for both CRM application for .com platform. When it comes to Salesforce platform license, this license is designed for those who need access to only the force.com. So if you take Salesforce platform license, so this platform license is being taken, so it will be, you will be able to access only force.com platform. Users of these license cannot able to access the CRM application. Whereas community license, this license is designed for customers, partners, or retailers to log in and make the self-services. Through this, only self-services has been offered. So it is who else can able to access your customer, partners, or retailers. Whereas coming to charter license, the charter license are meant for chatting, right? That is who do not have Salesforce license but need to access chatter. They'll be able to access only the chatter cloud, right? Not more than that. So when it comes to environment, now we are coming to environment. Environment talks about the Salesforce environment, that is the org or production environment, right? So we have three different environments in Salesforce. One is going to be production, the other one is called development, the other one is called testing. So what is production environment? It's an instance of force.com. This environment stores the data required for running business logics. So through this environment, we can able to store the data that is to run your business, right? So that is what the production environment. Whereas coming to developer environment, in this developer environment, developer is going to enhance the application by using the API. He's going to develop the application, right? It's again an instance of force.com. It is independent from force production environment. So the environment is used for development and enhanced without affecting the production. So this environment is mainly used for development. It is going to enhance without affecting the production, right? It will not affect the production, but still the enhancement will go off, right? So that is mainly used for developing your application without affecting the production. Production will be going on. All other services will be working on. At the same time, production, that is development, will also go off, right? Next one is testing environment. So the instance will be taken here, right? And then the instance will be tested by the tester, right? So it is also an instance of force.com. It is used to test the application and functionality without affecting the production environment. Again, when the testing is going on, without affecting the production environment, testing would be happening. So we have discussed about three types of environment here. One is called production environment, development environment, and testing environment. The next one is Sandbox. What is Sandbox? Even for Sandbox, we have to take up the license here. Sandbox is Again, there's nothing but an instance of production, right? Instance of the application, right? So in the sandbox environment, we can able to we can able to develop the application, test the application, deploy the application, right? Everything can be done with the help of sandbox, provided we require a sandbox license. As of now, being a learner, we will not have a option to work with sandbox. It is not possible because we don't have a license here. The development and testing environment within the Salesforce is termed as Salesforce Sandbox. See, development testing environment within the Salesforce is called as Salesforce Sandbox. The sandbox environment is created for several purposes, like for training, development, testing, without affecting data and configuration Salesforce production instance, right? Here also, without affecting the production, the testing, training, development, everything happens through the sandbox. So we are going to discuss about sandbox elaborately later, not now, right? Now we are going to discuss about the products and services offered by the Salesforce. We are going to see, as I already told you, there are different services provided here. Like we have something called Sales Cloud, Service Cloud, Marketing Cloud, IoT Cloud, right? So Community Cloud, right? So many clouds are available here. We are going to discuss one by one now. Now the first cloud is going to be Salesforce Cloud. The Salesforce Cloud is mainly used for sales. The sales people, right? The sales is going to interact with the customer. I'm going to sell the product here. For such application will be maintained in Sales Cloud here. The Sales Cloud is a service provided by the Salesforce.com platform, and it is a part of the Salesforce CRM. This is the first cloud, Salesforce Cloud, which has been introduced by Salesforce. It helps the companies to support sales and provide marketing and customer support for the business to business and business to customer aspect of a business. So it supports, it provides marketing and customer support for the B2B and also for B2C, right? Salesforce Automation is one of the popular sales tools that helps the business to enhance the speed of the sales process and streamline the lead to cash. So with the help of this application, you are able to speed up the sales process and to streamline the lead to cash. So the lead will be converted faster into a cash, right? You convert it into a sale. So you close the deal. So when the deal is closed, then what happens? Automatically the customer is going to purchase the product. As per the Salesforce.com, more than 82,000 customers are using more than 135,000 applications that allows millions of subscribers worldwide to manage the resource and process more effectively. So 82,400 customers are using, right? So 135,000 applications, right? So it allows the millions of subscribers worldwide to manage the resource and process effectively. So next one is, so again, continue with Sales Cloud. It allows to process more business in less time, collaborate more closely, and bring more deals yearly using Salesforce. So if at all you use Salesforce, you can able to you're going to use a lesser time. You're going to collaborate more with people, closely with the people, with the customer. You're going to finish the deal, right? It is an entirely customizable cloud service of Salesforce, right? So that integrates all the customer related information at one place. So it is going to integrate all the customer related information at one place. Say it can be marketing, sales, lead generation, customer service, business analytics, and so on. And also provide access to various other applications through the app exchange. So in case you want to get the information or you want to get the access to the application, yes, very well, you can go for app exchange. Already I discussed about app exchange, but still I am going to discuss about app exchange also, right? So the app exchange is which is going to be, which is very similar to like what you have in mobile, right? So on the mobile we have what is it? We tend to download the apps here, right? So same way here also we are going to have an app exchange. Through app exchange we can download free application or paid application which is available. Thousands of applications are available developed through Salesforce, right? That you can able to download here. So similar, your sales application will also be available. You can able to download there. Sales Cloud allows business to grow their account faster, get new customers, and close the deal faster. And all these tasks can be performed from anywhere. So with the help of Sales Cloud, what all we can do, we can able to grow the business, right? So grow their account faster, get the new customers, and also close the deal faster. All these tasks can be performed from anywhere through the cloud, right? Using a Sales Cloud. So that is coming to Service Cloud. right? So once the sales is over, so the service is going to get continued. So in order to make the customer happy, we are going to provide a good service, right? If anything happens to the product, immediately, right, we go to the place and we try to help them and we try to solve the problems accordingly, right? For which we are going to use service application here. In order to maintain service application, we are going to use service cloud here. So let me get into the Service Cloud now. Please elaborate what is all about Service Cloud. The Salesforce Service Cloud is the CRM platform to provide services and support to the customer. So we are going to provide service and support to the customer. Service Cloud is a greater customer service platform to give the fast and more personalized service visually via any possible platform. So we can go with we can able to do the services with any possible platform like phone, or email, or instant messaging, Twitter, Facebook, or any other social media. We can able to connect and we can able to solve the customer problems here. With the help of the Service Cloud, customer can read the customer support, call the call center from any platform and get the support, right? So like what we do, so anytime we get any problem with our electronic gadgets or something, right, immediately we call the customer care, we lodge a complaint and we try to solve the problem, right? The same way here also we are going to do with Salesforce. Salesforce Service Cloud offers business the more vital services that helps expand the maintenance and consumer contentment. It helps the business by enabling them to solve customer issues and requirements through different channels. So here, the Salesforce provides the different services and the helping service has been expanded and they maintain it such a way that the customer gets resolved their problem here, right, in different channels. Salesforce Services Cloud is a SaaS service, software as a service. Through the software as a service has been provided, which is built in our Salesforce customer success platform. It provides the customer 360-degree view to provide smarter and faster personalized service to the customer. Here we are using 360-degree view and provide the smarter and faster and personalized service to the customer. Service Cloud is built on different Salesforce metrics such as average cases per day, cases by issues, resolution time per customer. So we tend to build our different services when different metrics such as average case per day, case by issues, resolving time per customers, and so on. Right? Similar way, coming to Commerce Cloud. This Commerce Cloud is mainly used for business to business, business to customer, B2B and B2C. Right? Mainly used for those people. Right? So the Commerce Cloud is a key part of the Salesforce customer service platform and offer e-commerce solution. Here through commerce, we are giving e-commerce solution to business people or to the customers, business to customers. That means the organization purchase the Commerce Cloud to provide the best e-commerce website to their customers who are shopping online, whether they are consumer buying the latest fashion or business making a large whole purchase. Like for example, we take Amazon.in, right? To the Amazon.in, we have different customers. Some of the customers will purchase in bulk. Some of the customers will purchase in retail, right? We have different customers here, right? Either we give solution to B2B, business to business. From Amazon, some other business companies would purchase some other products and they'll try to sell it to the people. Or else it is being sold to the customers also, like we people, we buy retail, either one or two products only we tend to buy. So it gives a solution for both, but it gives all different types of products are available on Amazon.in, like Wish, Amazon.in, Flipkart, right? So right, whatnot. So many websites are there. Through that website, we can able to see online purchase, online shopping has been done here. So such kind of applications are maintained in the Commerce Cloud. It is a Commerce Cloud. It provides solution to the business also and also to the customer. So it is called as business to consumer, business to business. Got it? So next, coming to Marketing Cloud. Marketing Cloud enables various marketers to deliver accurate message to the right people through the right channel. Here in the Marketing Cloud, marketing application will be maintained. We are going to do a lot of analysis about the product and we give the right choice to the people to help them to purchase the right product. Right? So there are various functionalities that Salesforce Marketing Cloud provides you for your organization or also for your customer. Right? So coming to Collaboration Cloud, right? Collaboration Cloud helps us to collaborate with the client or with your business partners or within your organization, you can be able to collaborate with your colleagues and all those stuff and try to solve your problems or help them to resolve your problems, and also help them to give some information, right? For all those stuff, we are going to collaborate, which we call the script here. Everyone can post about what they are working on the comment on other posts. Either you comment on other posts also. You can join public or private groups where you can get the latest on topics or solve the problems. Others' problems you can able to solve it, and you can provide a solution to the other problem. And teammates can collaborate right on opportunity or account record. So the information is stored right where they are needed. Right? Whatever information required that you posted, it is going to be available there itself. So anywhere at any time you can able to access that information, right? So you can able to collaborate with your colleagues, with your friends, with your clients, with your customers, right? For which we require an application. That application will be maintained on the collaboration cloud, which is called as web, right? The next one is Analytical Cloud. So Analytical Cloud is meant for analyzing your application, right? So whether this kind of application can be maintained, can be used by small scale industry or medium sized business to large enterprises to implement rapid iterative exploration of data, with results displayed via layers of dynamic visualization over underlying data sets. So the results will be displayed on the dynamic visualization, either in the dashboard or in the form of reports, right? We tend to display your results, right? So with the help of this, right, we can able to develop our business, right? Either it can be a medium-sized organization or large enterprise company or whatsoever it may be, right? We tend to analyze and we iterate we're going to implement the rapid and iterative exploration of data, which is going to result in different layers, right? And visualization over underlying data sets, right? Then we're going to discuss about community cloud. Community is again going to develop different types of communities here, right? Even Salesforce have a community here. So like we have Delhi community, Vizag community, like we have so many developer communities here. So for maintaining community tools here, we use community cloud here. Community clouds in Salesforce platform gives companies a tool to create branded online communities. It is going to provide a branded online communities here. These communities can be created for connecting with customers, external partners, and employees. With the help of community cloud, with the help of community application, with whom we are going to connect? We are going to connect with the customer, we are going to connect with the external partners, and we are going to connect with the employees, right? For which we require an application. Those applications will be made in the community cloud. So, like I think we have discussed elaborately about the different types of clouds. Now we'll get into the service offered by the Salesforce. What are the service offered by the Salesforce? Right. So the service offered by the Salesforce are Salesforce 1, then Salesforce.com, work.com, data.com, desk.com, do.com. What is it Salesforce 1.com? If at all you want to develop your application, mobile application, right? For such cases, to maintain a mobile application, developing a mobile application, we require a platform. Salesforce for one platform has been provided by Salesforce. We can develop and maintain our mobile application. Or that is nothing but an Android or iOS application. So such application can be maintained and can be used in your Android or iOS devices, right? For that, we require a platform called Salesforce One. And similarly, Force.com, whereas Force.com already told you, mainly used for developing a declarative application and the development application, doing Apex programming, triggers, Visual Force pages, all the stuff. But for which we use a platform called Force.com. Whereas coming to Work.com is mainly used for management, right? Used by the managers and employees to improve their work performance. In order to improve their work performance, they're going to use a platform called or the domain called Work.com. Right, data.com is mainly used by the directors, right? Business professional, exchange their business information. For such cases, we use a domain called data.com. Desk.com is mainly used for call center, right? Help desk. So, on the desk.com, interact with customer to solve their issues, for which we go for desk.com. Do.com, cloud-based task management system for different business small group. For small scale industry and for different business people, do.com is a domain, whereas it is being used here. So we come across different services offered by Salesforce, which is nothing but Salesforce One. Then we have Force.com, Work.com, Data.com, Desk.com, and Do.com. Right? And what are the average salary got by the Salesforce professional? Right? by Salesforce Admin and Salesforce Developer. See the average salary, right? These are the average salaries provided by the in US and UK. You can come across this, whereas slightly it will be deviated when it comes to India, right? So in India also we have a lot of applications which have been maintained, which have been designed by multiple service-based application, product-based application, product-based companies and service-based companies, right? So it depends upon the service-based company gives slightly lesser salary what has been done, what is being given by US and UK, whereas product-based companies they give good salary here. So when it comes to admin, when you finish your admin certification, you will be able to work on work as a testing, right? Salesforce testing. You can go as a tester, right? Or in case if you do your developer certification, you can able to go as a developer, a Salesforce developer. You get a higher salary than admin, right? And let me see what is the certification that we do with here, right? You start with Salesforce administrator, right? The Salesforce administrator here. So then after this, then you can go for advanced admin, then you can go for force.com, or you can do a platform app builder. So once if you do that, then you come back to platform developer. You can do developer 1 and developer 2, right? Then you can go with the consultant. We have different type of consultant, like sales consultant, service consultant, Paradox consultant, right? Service cloud consultant, sales cloud consultant, right? So you can do a consultant. The prerequisite for this is administrator exam is prerequisite for this, right? Similarly, you can like after this you can do sharing and visibility designer, right? And then so many, what is that, like JavaScript certification is there. Then you can become architect, Salesforce architect, right? Several certification exams are available in this session, in this journey, like in this Salesforce training through YouTube. I'm going to help you, to face your administrative exam. So with this videos, you can able to prepare yourself for your Salesforce administration exam. Yes, with the confidence you can take your first exam, that is nothing but your Salesforce certified administrator. So this is what I'm preparing you guys, right? You folks, I'm preparing for you for the Salesforce administration. Please listen to our video one by one. So you can prepare yourself, get confident to say that you can become a successful Salesforce certified administrator. Right. Now come back to overview of App Exchange. What is all about App Exchange? So like we have in the mobile, we do have something called like what we have, like we can able to download all our apps here. Got it? Can able to download all our apps from the mobile. Same way here also, there is a place called App Exchange, right? So like we can able to download any number of applications which is developed by Salesforce or by the Salesforce client. So such kind of application will be available. You can see in the picture which is being given here, right? So several kinds of applications are apps and components of board solution, lightning data application, right? All these things are available. You can able to download from App Exchange. App Exchange is a place which is called one-stop shop for ready to install solutions. It is a one-stop shop, right? So it is ready to install solutions in Salesforce, easily extending Salesforce into every department industry. For every department industry, the one-stop shop for downloading your application, getting a solution, right? We are going to go with that App Exchange. It is an ecosystem of over 5,000 ready to install solution, 80,000 per reviews, and 6 million customer installed to help solve any business challenge. So 6 million customers try to install and they're getting help to solve the business challenges, right? For us, you can go and see your App Exchange, right? Anyway, we're going to discuss elaborately about App Exchange. What is App Exchange? App Exchange is nothing but you have all your tailor-made, ready-made application which is available in the App Exchange that you can download. Some of them are free of cost and some of them are paid, right? You can able to download from the App Exchange, right? Same way what we do it in mobile. Similar way here also we're going to download it from the App Exchange. So it is a place for getting solution for various problems. We can download the application. We can make use of that application which is ready-made. It is available. Got it? And coming to declarative customization. What is declarative customization? Declarative customization is nothing but this is low code and less code, no code and less code. Here with the declarative customization, we are not going to write any code, right? Just we are going to we're going to use point and click method and then we're going to develop the application, right? Declarative customization can be made point and click in the browser. Declarative customization requires an understanding of force.com concept without coding knowledge. Without writing any coding, we are going to develop the application here. So here, with that, we are going to be able to develop the application. We're going to create a tab, page layout, record types, and we use to develop user interface in declarative approach. Without writing any code, we're going to develop the application. We're going to develop the menus, tabs here, page layouts, record types, and we're going to develop the application using the declarative method without writing any code. And workflows, validation rule, approval process are used to develop the business logic in declarative. Basically, here for this kind of concept, we require programmatic approach. But here, without doing any programmatic, right, we are going to work on workflows and validation rule, approval process. For example, you have a leave application, right? So leave application, when the employee is going to apply for a leave, right? First level, it goes to the immediate head, and the head has to approve. And again, after the head is approved, then it can go to the top higher official. Either it can be general manager or the principal of the institution, right? They have to approve it. So the next level of approval, he has to go with next level, right? So different approval process, right? So basically, all this application can be developed, maintained using a declarative approach here. Then object, field creation, maintaining a relationship are used to develop data. You're going to import or export your data. Everything can be done using your declarative approach here. Right? Without writing any single code, you are going to develop your application. You're going to validate your application. Right? You're going to approve. You're going to work on the approval process. You're going to maintain your object fields. You're going to create. You're going to design your application with the help of objects and fields. Right? And then you're going to import and export your data. Everything you're going to do without writing a single code here. So guys, so with that, I'll come to the conclusion now. Now, please, if you like this channel, please try to subscribe to my channel, Raakesh iWave, a Techno Hub channel for placement training. Please, if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, and then please support my channel, so that in case you want to learn 1:1 training, yes, you can call me. My mobile number is 8555079168. So, or else if you have any doubts, you want to contact me, yes, you can go with info.iwavelabs@gmail.com, right? Yes, you can please subscribe, and then please support me. You have any doubts, you can write to my email, that is called info.iwavelabs@gmail.com. And then in case you want to call me, you can call me by using this mobile number 8555079168. Right? So guys, once again, I'm telling you, please subscribe to my channel. So my contact, in case you want to contact, can contact with my mobile number 8555079168 or 8142000037. In case you want to contact me, you can contact with 8555079168. So, or else you can go with 8142000037. Folks, guys, please, if you are interested learning Salesforce, yes, step by step, I'm giving a Salesforce training to you one by one. So every week, 1 or 2 videos I'm just posting. I'm posting on the YouTube. Please listen to this video and try to learn Salesforce technology step by step. It's going to be very easy. I'll make it to you very easy. So from coming sessions, you're going to do some hands-on session also, right? Again, I'll show you the registration page, right? After the registration page is over, I'll take you to the production environment, show you the production environment, how is the user interface, all those stuff we're going to discuss, right? So please subscribe to our channel, right? So for subscribing, you're going to click on subscribe button and click on bell icon, and then click on like button, right? So thank you very much. Bye-bye.